Mounting your power system. To commence the installation process, we recommend starting by consulting the user manual for a comprehensive list of the necessary tools and safety guidelines. Inside the top battery compartment of your power system, you'll find the assembly hardware conveniently labeled as Hardware Enclosed. Access it by carefully removing the 1/4-inch hex screws on each side of the top battery cover. Gently slide the cover upward and outward to retrieve the enclosed hardware. Remove each battery cover using a 1/4-inch socket. Utilize the provided fasteners to affix the upper mounting flange to the top cabinet. If your unit has fewer than 4 battery compartments, no additional assembly is necessary. However, if it has more than 4 batteries, secure the upper cabinet to the lower battery cabinet. Lay both cabinets face up on the floor and fasten the upper cabinet to the lower one using the provided screws and bolts. Stand the power system on its feet against the desired wall location. Mark the mounting holes along the unit's flanges using a pencil. Carefully drill a 1/2-inch hole at each marked location on the wall. Insert the flip toggle drywall anchors as indicated. The unit's feet position the wall fasteners for stability. The weight of the system is fully supported by the floor. Stand the cabinet back up in its installation location, aligning the holes in the flanges with the anchors. Secure the unit's flanges to the wall using the provided screws.